Good morning, everyone. This is Tony from Her Homestead Skills. Actually, I think it's afternoon at this point. Anyway, a couple of things that I wanted to discuss before I start here. I did add a disclaimer to my channel, and we'll probably be adding that to the end of the intro on every video. I don't really feel it's required, but I've felt that for brand new canners, people who are new to canning, and there's a lot of them out there, should have the benefit of tried and true and safe methods. So in my disclaimer, I also direct them to the document where they could find all those documents for themselves. So no harm in that, absolutely. They should be directed there. For us folks that have been canning forever, we know that we've tried all kinds of things that have not been tested but are done. Anyway, untested and unsafe are two different things. I think everyone knows that. But just to reiterate, for new canners, if they choose to follow totally tested methods, it certainly is, that option certainly is available to everyone, actually. Okay, number two, I have to apologize. The last video that I put out was orange cranberry, and I thought I had put out a video where I had made the orange extract, and apparently I hadn't. I checked, I was going to add a link to it. I checked, and sure enough, there was no actual video where I made orange extract, just where I rebottled them. I don't know why I thought that was pertinent. Maybe I just thought the making your own labels was a great thing. But those were some of my earlier videos, so live and learn. So today I'm actually going to do a really short video on how to make orange extract. It's pretty easy. It just takes a little bit of time. So, okay, here it goes. Okay, so to make orange extract, you need a few things, and obviously one of them is oranges. Another one is a container to put them in, and a lid to seal it all. So, I start off with a peeler, and obviously I've washed these oranges, washed and dried them off before we started. So what you want to do is remove the thinnest possible layer of peel that you can get. You do not want the pith or the white thing underneath. So as little of that pith as you can possibly get. And then I like to just put it in the jar. And I'm going to get as much of this as I can. Once again, as thin a layer as you can possibly get. Once again, another fruit that does double duty here. So just put all your peels in the jar, and cutting them up small. There's a reason I'm cutting them up small, but you don't have to. You can fill this jar right up. But let me just tear them up before I put them in there. Now obviously you can eat this orange too, so that's not bad actually. You can always also use an orange zester and just scrape off the top. I find I personally prefer to have the peel itself, and the more peel, obviously the more flavor that you're going to get from this. So I'm going to at least do one of these oranges, and I should do them both, but my dilemma is the other thing that you need is vodka. And I thought that Mark had a full bottle of vodka, and all I've was able to find was this one small, I believe there's 2 ounces here, 1 to 2 ounces, I don't know how much there is. So what you want to do after you've peeled your orange is to cover it with vodka. And it really doesn't matter what brand of vodka, whether it's good quality, inexpensive quality, whatever it is that you want. So, yeah, it would have been nicer had I been able to fill up this jar a little bit more. So, I'm not going to add any more peel to this because I'd like it to be underneath the vodka. It won't go bad because it is alcohol here, but I'm going to try and get some more vodka before I fill this up anymore, and I will be adding more to this because I do need to replenish my stock of orange extract. So we're done. This is it. You just add your vodka, shake it up, put it aside, let it sit for 6 weeks, and the longer you let it sit, the more it will impart all the flavors of the orange into the stronger it will become. So that's how you make orange extract. And I once again have to apologize to the ladies who went looking for this video and couldn't find it. Well, here it is. Actually, I think I'm going to put just a bit more of this peel. I'll just finish this one orange, and I may have to go out and buy a small bottle of vodka because 2 ounces is not enough. I'd like to fill up this full jar and let it sit for a while. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.